because I did my best to separate success from this relationship. I did my best. She promised me, but when she get back to it, I didn't know. But Kodewara Chukwu.
Hello my people, I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. I hope so una dey fine. Una do well, so una take dey help me, take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well well. My people, maybe some of una don see this video, while some of una never see am. My people, hey, this one na pastor. Hey, pastor with their wahala. This one na pastor. This thing happen for Warri. Now wow, Church of Life Transnation prayer ministry. Una know wetin this pastor do? Hey, Jesus is Lord. My people, e get girlfriend wey dem dey call Chima. Now wow, my people. This girlfriend, they don dey stay for 5 years. More than not vex, because the something they get as e dey be me. When I dey see say people wey supposed to dey preach something wey good, now dem come dey do bad thing. I go dey surprise say wetin person go dey do for the church. And I know say some people dem must go church. This pastor, he get girlfriend. This girlfriend, they don dey for 5 good years. Na dem dey even engage the girl, say dem go marry. So settle now, and I know say when woman and man come dey date together, maybe sometimes something go happen, because person wey you with am don dey date for 5 years, you no fit talk say maybe one day no fit get belle. Na the girl come get belle o. The girl come tell am say, see o, I get belle o. The pastor say, who send you make you get belle? This belle we must comot am. Na the girl talk say, I no dey comot o. Why I wan comot this belle? Me with you don dey for 5 years. He say no, na bad thing o. How you go be say me wey be pastor, I never put money for your head, I never do this one, just engage na we dey, you just say you get belle. That kind thing no fit exist o. You go remove am. Na this girl say, I no go remove this belle. So they can't get misunderstand you. This pastor, he just know wetin he wan do. Now he can't go buy all this wetin dem dey buy. Hey, just to remove that belle because he no need am. Says shame go come. Why you wan put this shame for my body? Now he can't go dey give this girl. No, you no go suspect person wey you with am don dey friend for 5 years. Wetin go make you suspect am? You no go suspect. You no go think say go fit do anything bad like that. Now come go buy all this one wey dem dey buy o. Come go bring am. Come dey give this girl, make this girl dey drink. That one no know anything. They put am, the girl dey drink am. You no know. Come dey sick small. Now know say person wey get belle, any small thing you go dey sick. Now this pastor come dey tell this girl say, as you know well now, wetin come dey happen with wetin come dey happen? Come say the sickness don dey, no, it don dey too much, because he know wetin he dey do. He dey give am and the belle no gree comot. Now he come call the people, come tell them say, una sister no well. He come rush am, carry am go hospital. When they reach hospital, now wetin just dey the pastor brain just to remove that belle must comot. That belle must comot. Now they tell them, now the doctor talk say they no fit remove this belle because of this girl no well, no get power again. The pastor just dey tell them say they must remove am. Before they say make dem do wetin dem wan do now, this girl now, he don give up. He can't give up. Now they come say, they must see wetin happen to this girl, because why he can't dey sick? Wetin happen? The family come say they go must see the family come say they must see wetin happen to this girl wey just give up like that. When they come do the autopsy, and then they come see say, nah, wetin this pastor they give this girl, now make this girl women like that. My people, now see the wickedness. Now see, now only God now dey help person. May I put this small video more now watch, my people. I go put the small video more na watch am na quick more na see wetin pastor dey do person, wetin pastor dey do 5 years wey una take dey together. You no know say that girl one day go get belle. After we don get belle, you say na shame say dis place you never marry. Dis kind thing no suppose to do am because we must marry before. You no know say the time wey you dey chuku
Because I did
belle
my
fit
best to
enter.
separate
You
success
go dey
from this
give am
relationship.
that many things make
I
e
did my
drink.
best.
Hi,
She promised me,
my
but when
people,
she get back to it,
na wa
I
o,
didn't know.
na wa.
But
I will say, they will say pastor. Me I dey talk am o. Pastor, real pastor, and there no many for that our state. Real pastor no many o for that our country, because anybody wey get top for inside house wey just see say no get job, he go say he wan go dey do pastor. This pastor Sunday now, he don remove head comot for this girl life just because he no want that pregnancy. Na shame na him go catch you because of that one. You get married. And people go see the one dey follow the church dey go. I wan go church, I wan go church. Wetin dem dey preach for church? My people, hey, wonder shall never end. Na wow, my people, na wow. So the girl come dey vomit blood come out for him mouth because the pastor insist say dem must remove am, dem must comot that pregnancy. Now wey he don do all these things now, I believe say go still go church now, go dey pray for people. He go dey pray for people. I pray o, make our people make dem open their eyes. Many pastors wey dey that country, na fake na dem be. Fake wey dem just wake up in the morning, dem just start to dey carry Bible dey preach up and down, open church. Dem come tell the pastor now, okay, as this girl don give up now, dem wan go bury am now, you must make you come marry am. You no marry am the time wey e dey alive, just come marry am as e don give up. Na why my people, una see pastor, hey. Na why my people, I go put the video now, una watch am, make una help me share am. May the girl so rest in perfect peace. I no know this pastor whether he go continue the church. Only God na go save us for their hands. Una bye bye.
Because I did my best to separate success from this relationship. I did my best. She promised me, but when she get back to it, I didn't know. But God wanted to cook.